Before we start this video, I just want to say I woke up to 200k Instagram followers today, and that is insane. I am very emotional about it, and I can't believe how fast it's grown. Like this time last year I was on, I think, just over 10k. What? That's crazy. I just want to say thank you so much. It means the world to me to be able to be doing my dream job every day and helping people embrace their short curly hair or whatever hair you have. Thank you for all the support. It means the world. Hello my olives, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I'd do a neutral styling haul. All these pieces are from Dish Boutique and I want to thank them for sending them to me. This video isn't sponsored, but they did gift me these items to make content with. I haven't tried them on yet, but I was looking at them on the rack and I was like, oh, they're all neutral colors, browns, blacks, whites and nudes. So I thought I would do this themed video of neutral styling. I'm going to try each item on, but then show you how I would actually wear them in real life, how I would style them with shoes and jackets and accessories. Dish Boutique have an amazing range of staple pieces for your wardrobe, and it's actually winter here in Australia, so most of these are for colder weather. And I know a lot of you have curly hair, and sometimes your hair can be an accessory, and with curly hair sometimes it's hard to know how to style it to suit an outfit, so I hope I can help you with that as well. I'm really into styling and fashion, so if you like this kind of video, don't forget to like it and let me know what else you want to see from me. I do lots of fashion and styling on my Instagram as well, so check that out. Anyway, let's get into it. So let's start with these pants. I think cargo pants are really on trend right now. I'm seeing them a lot in boutiques and online shops as well as in stores. When I say cargo pant, I mean the kind of pant that's cuffed at the bottom and it has big pocket detailing along the leg. These are a more thinner material for more casual, warmer days. They've got the normal pockets, a drawstring, and then the big pockets along the side, and I just love this nude color. It goes with everything. Because it's a light kind of breathable material, I'd probably choose to wear it more in spring, autumn and summer. But yeah, I'll insert clips of different ways to style these. Even with a cropped t-shirt like I'm wearing now and some sneakers, or you could wear a long sleeve high neck or turtleneck top. And these are really on trend right now and a staple in your wardrobe, some beige cargo pants. Next item, we've got this white crop singlet here. It's that high neck singlet style, and it's a really nice thin knitted material. It's really good quality. I think this is such a great basic to have in your wardrobe. It can dress up an outfit instantly. Like even wearing it with some cargo pants, some jeans, it kind of makes the outfit more sophisticated rather than a normal t-shirt or singlet. And the high neck is great for cooler days. But yeah, there's so many ways to style basic tank tops like this. I would wear this a lot with jeans and a blazer or a jacket. This is great if you're a model and you're going to castings and they ask for you to wear singlet, because it's more dressy than a normal singlet. It's got that nice knit material, and the high neck just adds more sophistication, as I said. Next, I haven't tried this on, but I love the look of this brown singlet. It's another kind of knitted high neck style. I don't have anything this color, but I'm really obsessed with browns at the moment. This shade of brown goes really well with the cargo pants. But yeah, when I picked this up, I was thinking I would wear it with more brown pants, maybe brown check pants or cargo pants. Also be nice with some white jeans. Or if you want to wear it with track pants and like a white cardigan, that would be cute too. But yeah, it's just a basic neutral that you could pair with anything really. What do you think, Fiona? What do you think? This is another high neck kind of number. It's a dress and it's a really nice knitted material again. It's got this knitted belt that comes with it. I think this is a beautiful basic to have for dinners, and you can dress it up, dress it down. You can wear it with the belt or without. I think chucking on some boots or heels and then a nice coat would just make this look amazing, super elegant and classic. It's got the splits along the legs as well. I love this Rachel dress from Dish. They do it in other colors. I have the light grey as well. Basically, it's a really nice knit maxi dress. It can be dressed up or down. I wore the light grey version to a shoot yesterday and I just chucked on a leather jacket on top, and with some pointed boots it looked really cute. I'm obsessed with this brown chocolate colour. I think it looks so nice. I'd probably wear this with a leather jacket or coat or by itself. It's such a good staple for winter with some boots. You could add a belt if you wanted to. I've actually been wanting a dress like this for ages because I think it's such a staple that you need in your wardrobe for winter. Just a knitted black midi dress, and I love that it has a high neck. As you can tell, I like things with a high neck in winter especially. So yeah, with some boots and a coat again, that's perfect for winter. But with this dress, if it's a bit warmer, you could wear it without a jacket, and it has an open back detail. It's got this really nice twisted detail on the back, and it's actually reversible as well, so you could wear the cutout at the front if you're feeling a bit risque. I also have this in dark green, and I've worn it with a coat and some boots, and it's really cute. Love it! Again, this chocolate colour is amazing. I love this cropped knit. It's got the really nice fleecy kind of thick warm material. I'd wear this with some jeans and some boots in winter. Yeah, this just looks so warm and snug. I can't wait to wear it. Having a cropped knit is really easy to style in winter while also looking cute and staying warm. I kind of have a knitwear obsession because it's so easy to style. Like, you just chuck on your knit and some jeans and some sneakers and you're ready to go. Okay, the last piece we have I think is an essential to have in winter, a cropped black jumper. It's another knitted piece, and I love the sleeves, how they go out and then they cuff at the wrist. I've been needing a new black cropped knit because the one I have is like completely worn out. I wear it with all different kinds of pants. You can wear it with corduroy pants, cargo pants, jeans. It's good for layering, and you can dress it up or down. You can wear it under overalls. A black cropped knit like this is so versatile. It's an essential for your wardrobe, girl. Alright, so those are all the pieces from Dish. I'll ask them if there's a discount code that I can share, and I'll leave it down below. Don't go spend all your money on clothes though. I hope this helps you out and gives you some inspiration, especially for more winter kind of warmer outfits, but also just to help you figure out what kind of staples you need in your wardrobe. Obviously everyone has different style, and this is just my personal way of styling basics like these. I've said a few times before that I have no idea what my style is, how to define it, because I literally love everything, and it's a problem. I love wearing colours, I love wearing vintage stuff, I like wearing funky retro stuff, I like wearing basic neutrals, I like wearing girly, I like wearing sporty, streetwear. Help me. But yeah, I wanted to do a neutrals video because I know a lot of people just like wearing neutrals rather than bright, big, crazy colours and patterns. But yeah, I love wearing everything from crazy patterns to neutrals. Don't forget to check out my Instagram and subscribe to this channel. I can't believe how fast we're growing. Thank you so much for your everyday support. I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video.